have her ready to go. These are all the stains we have. It's been worn out and walked over. And this shows you how it should look, because that's the part that's not walked over. It's covered by the other couch on this side. And that's pulled back. So we're going to get to work and see if we can revive the carpets and do a before and after. A lot of toys, a lot of Play-Doh, food. It was a lot of things just in the strings of the carpet. I was literally dissecting it. It's at a point right now where it is full, and look at this black stuff. This is how dirty the carpet was, and it's on full. This is halfway done. Where the mark is where I have to start back. I just saturate it with the water. And I'm just gonna let it dry. It's gonna dry overnight. Let me go ahead and show you what I used again. Bissel Little Green, and I used the Bissel Deep Clean Refresh Febreze Powerful Cleaning with a Fresh Breeze Dried Laundry Scent. I'll be back to show you how it looks in the morning. I'm gonna call it a night. I finished it around 3:25, and I'm about to take a shower and go to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so I have vacuumed, and this is the final look of the rug. And it does look cleaner, very bright and clean. And that's all I could ask for. Tour table? Okay. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.